welcome to class, my dear students. In this lesson, I will be teaching you the poetic devices and thematic analysis of Black Woman by Leopold Sédar Senghor. The poem Black Woman is a negritude poem. It praises the African woman as a person and a symbol of the richness of the African culture. The poet employed tactile and visual imageries in lines 1 to 10. Tactile means that something can be touched or felt. The combined use of these imageries suggests that the naked Black woman here refers to the poet Persina's mother, the one who transfers life to him through birth, the one that gave him life. He went further to refer to the Black woman as a landscape. It calls her my promised land. He appreciates her beauty the way a man would his lover. Your beauty strikes me to the heart like the flash of an eagle. Now, let's consider the poetic devices employed in the poem. First is simile. There is an instance of simile in lines 11 to 12. Your beauty strikes me to the heart like the flash of an eagle. The poem is metaphor-filled. We can only mention a few here. These are some of the lines where the poet employed metaphor in the poem. He compares the Black woman to a gazelle. A gazelle is an animal that looks like an antelope, but it is not an antelope. The gazelle is associated with beauty and grace. So the poet compares the woman to a beautiful and graceful woman. Personification. This is when human qualities are given to inanimate objects. Take a look at these lines. What are the objects here that have been given human qualities? Apostrophe means to refer to something or to somebody as if that thing or that person is physically present. This poetic device is used severally in the poem in lines 1, 11, 20, and 29. Naked woman, Black woman. The poet refers to the woman as if she was physically present with him. Then we have repetition. Another prominent feature of this poem is repetition. These words are repeated in this poem. Symbolism. A symbol is something that means something on its own and at the same time stands for something else. The poet uses Black woman to represent Africa continent, to symbolize Africa continent. Now, the themes. First is love for Africa. The poem admonishes Africans to admire blackness. There is a need for Africans to revive African culture and values to the its position of honor. We are not primitive, we are unique. So the way we do things should not be thrown away. Immortalization of the African woman's beauty is another theme. The poet eulogizes the beauty, the color, and the shape of an African woman who represents Africa. He compares her to a ripened fruit that is fresh, that is succulent, and appealing to the eyes. All right. Another theme in the poem is the inevitability of death. Leopold Sédar Senghor in Black Woman shows that all beautiful things will one day lose their beauty and splendor. Hear him in the poem. I sing your beauty that passes. This implies that the African woman's beauty is temporal. Therefore, all pleasant things, including humans, will come to an end someday. So the beautiful woman is no exception. Everything will taste death. All right? It is on this note that I bring the lesson to a close. Until I come your way again, goodbye for now.